So yeah, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can redirect your WordPress website to another WordPress website, excluding your WordPress admin. So basically, you can redirect the front end of your WordPress website to another domain while your dashboard is still accessible. So to do that, you come to the plugin section, then you are going to install this plugin, Simple Website Redirect by Micah Wood. So go to add new plugin, then from the repository you want to search for Simple Website Redirect. All right, so this is a plugin right here. We are not seeing the install button, and that's because in my case I have the plugin installed on the site already. So just click on install. You can see something like this on the plugin and click on activate. So once the plugin is activated, you can come back to settings right here, then click on website redirect. All right, so this is the redirect interface for this plugin. Now the first thing to do is to impute the new URL that you want this website to redirect to. Once you enter that, the next thing is to select the type of redirect. Is it a temporary redirect or a permanent redirect? In my case, I selected permanent, and then you'd also want to select the status of the redirect, and that should be enabled. So once you have done all these basic settings, you can just go ahead and save the settings. So guys, there you have it. That's how to redirect your current WordPress website on the front end to another WordPress website. I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.